Assalamualaikum. Hello, how are you all? Today I am trying to make a Coreless Motor drone for you. So let's go. For this drone I need 4 pieces Coreless motor, 4 pieces propeller and 1 battery and 1 3D printed frame, and also transmitter and receiver. Here is my all of parts. Now I am making the drone. Firstly, I attach my 4 pieces of Coreless motor with the frame. You can use super glue for attach the motor. This is receiver board. Now I attach the both side tape with receiver board, and I attached the receiver board on our frame. This is connector for connecting the motors. Now I solder all of motors with receiver board. Now I attach the frame upper part with our main frame, and this is our drone. Now I attach the propeller with our motor. There have 2 types of motor here. One is clockwise and another one is counterclockwise. You follow my rules. Now I attach the battery with our drone. Here I use both side tape and I connect the battery with our drone. I on the transmitter, and there have one red LED, and there have 2 joystick, one is throttle and another one is elevator and aileron. Now our drone is ready to fly, so let's go. So guys, that's for today. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon and like to our video and comment your opinion in comment box. So bye.